Imagine having gadgets at home that can save time, boost safety, and handle emergencies like a pro gadgets you didn't even know existed. In today's video, we're uncovering 20 insanely useful emergency home gadgets on Amazon that are futuristic, practical, and total game changers. From clever safety tools to mind-blowing helpers, these innovations will completely upgrade your home life. Stick around, you won't want to miss a single one. Number 1. Prepared Hero Emergency Fire Blanket. Stay safe during emergencies with the Prepared Hero Emergency Fire Blanket. Made from heat-resistant materials, it can quickly smother small fires or protect against flames and sparks. Compact and lightweight, it's perfect for kitchens, cars, or camping trips. Easy to use and store, it ensures safety is always within reach. Ideal for homes, offices, or outdoor adventures, this fire blanket combines durability, convenience, and emergency preparedness, giving you peace of mind and an essential tool to handle unexpected fire hazards effectively. Number 2. Anker SOLIX C1000 Portable Power Station. Power your devices anywhere with the Anker SOLIX C1000 Portable Power Station. With a 1056-watt battery and multiple output ports, it can charge phones, laptops, and small appliances during emergencies or outdoor activity. The included solar panel option ensures renewable energy, while its robust design supports reliable long-term use. Perfect for camping, power outages, or travel, this portable station combines convenience, power, and durability. Stay prepared and connected wherever you go with the Anker SOLIX C1000, a must-have for modern emergency readiness. Number 3. Raynic Emergency Radio. Stay informed during emergencies with the Raynic Emergency Radio. Featuring AM/FM bands, no weather alerts, and multiple power options including solar, hand crank, and USB charging, it ensures you never lose access to critical information. Compact and portable, it's perfect for home, travel, or outdoor adventures. Equipped with a built-in flashlight and SOS alarm, it enhances safety in any situation. Reliable, durable, and easy to use, the Raynic Emergency Radio is an essential tool for anyone prioritizing preparedness and peace of mind in emergencies. Number 4. Mesqool Solar Radio Emergency. Be prepared for any situation with the Mesqool Solar Radio Emergency. This versatile device provides AM/FM and NOAA weather alerts to keep you informed during power outages or disasters. Solar and hand crank charging options ensure it works even off-grid. With a built-in flashlight and SOS alarm, it doubles as a safety tool for emergencies or outdoor adventures. Compact and durable, it's easy to carry or store. Combining functionality, reliability, and portability, the Mesqool Solar Emergency Radio is an indispensable device for staying safe and connected. Number 5. Charmast Portable Charger. Keep your devices powered on the go with the Charmast Portable Charger. Compact yet high capacity, it charges smartphones, tablets, and other USB devices quickly and efficiently. Its lightweight design makes it perfect for travel, camping, or emergencies. Reliable and durable, it ensures your devices stay operational when you need them most. With built-in safety protections against overcharging and overheating, the Charmast Portable Charger combines convenience, performance, and security, making it an essential companion for staying connected and prepared wherever life takes you. Number 6. Be smart, get prepared 110 PC First Aid Kit. Handle emergencies confidently with the Be Smart, Get Prepared 110 PC First Aid Kit. Packed with bandages, antiseptics, and essential medical supplies, it's perfect for home, car, office, or travel use. Organized in a durable, portable case, every item is easy to find and access during urgent situations. Ideal for minor cuts, burns, or scrapes, it provides peace of mind in everyday life or outdoor adventures. Reliable, comprehensive, and compact, the Be Smart, Get Prepared First Aid Kit ensures you're always ready to respond to unexpected injuries effectively. Number 7. LifeStraw Personal Water Filter. Stay safe with clean water anywhere using the LifeStraw Personal Water Filter. Lightweight and portable, it removes bacteria, parasites, and microplastics from natural water sources, making it perfect for hiking, camping, or emergency preparedness. No batteries or chemicals are required, ensuring reliable filtration on the go. Compact enough to fit in a backpack or emergency kit, it provides peace of mind when clean water isn't available. Combining convenience, safety, and practicality, the LifeStraw Personal Water Filter is an essential tool for outdoor enthusiasts and emergency readiness. Number 8. COOZMENT 7.4-gallon portable water container. Store and transport water efficiently with the COOZMENT 7.4-gallon portable water container. Made from durable, food-grade materials, it ensures safe drinking water for camping, emergencies, or outdoor activities. The built-in spout and handle make pouring and carrying easy, while its large capacity meets family or group needs. Ideal for long trips, disaster preparedness, or home use. This container combines convenience, reliability, and safety. Compact and sturdy, the COOZMENT water container is a practical, essential solution for ensuring hydration in any situation. Number 9. EOC Smile Emergency Radio. Stay connected during crises with the EOC Smile Emergency Radio. Equipped with AM/FM and NOAA weather alerts, it provides critical updates when you need them most. Solar, hand crank, and USB charging options keep it operational during power outages or off-grid adventures. With a built-in flashlight and SOS alarm, it doubles as a safety tool for emergencies. Portable and durable, the EOC Smile Emergency Radio is perfect for home, car, or outdoor use, combining reliability, convenience, and preparedness in a compact, essential device. Number 10. Anlokea Emergency Blankets. Be ready for any emergency with Anlokea Emergency Blankets. Made from heat-reflective materials, they provide warmth and protection against cold, wind, and rain. Lightweight and compact, these blankets are perfect for survival kits, camping, or roadside emergencies. Easy to carry and store, they ensure safety and comfort when conditions get harsh. Durable and versatile, Anlokea Emergency Blankets are an essential addition to any preparedness kit, offering peace of mind and reliable protection in unexpected situations. Number 11. LifeStraw LED Camping Lantern. Light up your outdoor adventures with the LifeStraw LED Camping Lantern. This durable, portable lantern delivers bright, energy-efficient illumination for camping, hiking, or emergency use. Multiple brightness settings allow you to customize lighting for any situation, from reading inside a tent to lighting a campsite. Built to withstand rugged outdoor conditions, it's compact and easy to carry or store. Combining convenience, durability, and long-lasting LED performance, the LifeStraw Lantern is an essential companion for safe, enjoyable nights outdoors. Number 12. SOLIX 6-pack LED Flashlights. Be prepared for any situation with the SOLIX 6-pack LED flashlights. These compact, high-brightness flashlights are perfect for emergencies, camping, or household use. Each flashlight features durable construction, long battery life, and a focus beam for clear visibility. Lightweight and portable, they easily fit in bags, cars, or drawers. Ideal for power outages, night walks, or outdoor activities, this set of 6 ensures you always have reliable illumination. Combining practicality, convenience, and safety, SOLIX LED flashlights are perfect for every home or adventure kit. Number 13. First Responder Trauma Bag. Be ready for emergencies with the Dixie Gear First Responder Trauma Bag. Designed for medical professionals or first responders, it includes compartments for bandages, tourniquets, and essential emergency supplies. Durable and portable, it keeps all equipment organized and accessible during critical situations. Perfect for outdoor adventures, home, or professional use, it ensures rapid response in emergencies. Combining functionality, durability, and efficiency, the Dixie Gear Trauma Bag is an indispensable tool for anyone prioritizing preparedness, safety, and quick access to essential first aid supplies. Number 14. Ars Furtive Fire Starter. Start fires safely and efficiently with the Ars Furtive Fire Starter. Designed for camping, survival, or emergency situations, it produces sparks quickly even in wet or windy conditions. Lightweight, compact, and durable, it's easy to carry in a backpack or survival kit. Perfect for lighting stoves, campfires, or emergency heating, it combines reliability and convenience. The Ars Furtive Fire Starter is an essential tool for outdoor enthusiasts, campers, and anyone preparing for emergencies, ensuring warmth, cooking, and safety in any situation. Number 15. PC Cook Flint and Steel Fire Striker Ignite. Fires effortlessly with the PC Cook Flint and Steel Fire Striker. Designed for survival, camping, or emergency preparedness, it produces sparks quickly to light tinder, stoves, or campfires. Compact, lightweight, and durable, it's easy to carry in backpacks or kits. Ideal for outdoor adventures or survival scenarios, it works reliably in wet or windy conditions. Combining efficiency, durability, and simplicity, the PC Cook Flint and Steel Fire Striker ensures you can safely and effectively start a fire whenever you need it. Number 16. Kitty Fire Escape Ladder. Ensure family safety with the Kitty Fire Escape Ladder. This heavy-duty ladder provides a safe exit from windows during emergencies. Designed to support adult weight securely, it deploys quickly and stores compactly for easy access. Perfect for multi-story homes or apartments, it enhances emergency preparedness and peace of mind. Durable, reliable, and simple to use, the Kitty Fire Escape Ladder is a critical safety tool, giving you confidence and security when you need a quick escape in life-threatening situations. Number 17. Ring Floodlight Cam Wired Plus. Protect your home with the Ring Floodlight Cam Wired Plus. This outdoor security camera features bright floodlights, HD video, and two-way audio, allowing you to see and communicate with visitors instantly. Motion detection alerts notify you of any activity, enhancing safety around your property. Built to withstand all weather conditions, it's perfect for driveways, entrances, or yards. Combining advanced technology, durability, and convenience, the Ring Floodlight Cam keeps your home secure day and night while providing peace of mind for you and your family. Number 18. Xsense Wi-Fi Carbon Monoxide Detector. Keep your home safe with the Xsense Wi-Fi Carbon Monoxide Detector. This smart detector monitors CO levels 24/7, sending instant alerts to your smartphone in case of danger. Easy to install and integrate with Wi-Fi, it ensures you're always aware of hazardous conditions. With a loud alarm and reliable sensors, it protects your family from unseen risks. Perfect for homes, apartments, or offices, the Xsense CO detector combines safety, convenience, and modern technology to provide peace of mind and reliable protection against carbon monoxide poisoning. Number 19. SINLT Caregiver Pager. Enhance care and communication with the SINLT Caregiver Pager. This wireless pager system allows caregivers to receive instant notifications or alerts from patients or family members. Compact, reliable, and easy to use, it ensures timely responses in critical situations. Perfect for home care, hospitals, or assisted living, it improves safety, efficiency, and coordination, combining practicality, convenience, and peace of mind. The SINLT Caregiver Pager provides a simple yet effective solution for monitoring and assisting loved ones or patients whenever help is needed. Number 20. PartFiner Rechargeable LED. Work light. Illuminate any workspace with the PartFiner Rechargeable LED. Work light. Portable, bright, and energy efficient, it's perfect for garages, workshops, camping, or emergency situations. Rechargeable batteries ensure long-lasting use, while multiple brightness settings provide customizable lighting for different tasks. Durable and compact, it's easy to carry and store. Ideal for professionals, DIYers, or outdoor enthusiasts. The Part-to-Corner LED work light combines convenience, reliability, and efficiency, providing bright, focused illumination wherever it's needed most. That's a wrap on the 20 insanely useful emergency home gadgets on Amazon you didn't know existed. Which gadget blew your mind the most? Comment below, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell to never miss more life-changing home innovations.